Yes, today topic is CNC machines and their function programming. The CNC machines. What is a CNC machine? CNC machine is an automatic tool controlled by computer operator perform precise the machining operations such as drilling, milling, turning, or grindings. The main component of automatic control units, precision machining, repeatability, complex operations. The main components: control units, drive systems, machine tools, and feedback systems. Generally, the control unit executes the program. It's combined with G code and M code. Drive systems: motor installed in servo or stepper that control the parts movements. Machining tools, actually working on machine tools based on the materials may be changes, milling process, cutter, lathe tool, etc. Feedback system measurement, actually a movement. Next is a function of CNC machining's functions: positioning, move the tool part or specific location X, Y, Z, any direction, or X, Z, Y directions. Tool control, select the appropriate tool. Tool holders are available in backside of the machine. Speed and speed control units, coolant control units, programming executions. Next one as the key aspects of programming, G codes. G codes means language that the CNC machine understanding, tell the machines how to fast move the tools. Key points: ISO 6983 standards use each line of code is equal to one instruction. Next one is a CAM software, common software Fusion 360, Master CAM, Solids, NXCAD, EdgeCAM. These are the CAD/CAM softwares. The benefit: reducing the manual coding, offer the tool paths to strategic the various operations, milling, turning, drilling, integrate the tool libraries and feed speed. Next one is a simulation. Simulations is visually show the tool path and the cutting process before actual machining. The benefits maybe verify the tool path and motions, detect the collisions or error, save the materials and handling time, avoid the mistakes. Built in CAM softwares. Next one is a post-processing softwares. Post-processing convert the generic toolpath data from the CAM into machining specific G code format, match the syntax to specify CNC controller, Fanuc, Siemens, etc. Ensure the compatibility and optimizations the performance. Each machines have need a custom post processing. Next one is a G code. G code is a commonly used code. G01, G02, G17, G20, G28, G40. These are the common codes. G00, the mentioned G codes. So program number G21, set up the millimeters units to millimeters. G90, absolute positioning. G00, rapid starting the position. G01 is the feed 100 mention, feed rate lower to cutting depth. G001, x-axis 50 and feed 20. The tool move from x-axis up to 50 meters. Y-axis 50, cut to Y50, and we give the G01 and X0, cut back to X0. G001 Y0, cut back to Y0. G001 and this retract the tool. This is the end of the programming finally. These are the small examples of the CNC code. This is a M code. M code is the machine calling. M03 spindle on speed 1500. Okay, these are the one of the examples of machines code. M00 means program staff. M03 spindle on. M04 the clockwise rotations. M05 spindle again off. M09 coolant off. These are the small examples. Generally M30 end of the programming and rewind.